formula in conditional format so that you can able to understand easily. For that reason, please excuse here what actual query is. As per this, you have to highlight. If it is delivered, the courier ID should be in green color. If it is not delivered, it should be in red color. Okay, only two colors are there. You have to highlight as per this number. Totally four are delivered. Means one, two, three. Totally four are delivered. Here only one delivered. This one, and remaining are all blank. Sorry, red in color. Okay. Whenever the number is with delivered, then it should be highlight green in that means four delivered. Okay, so first of all what I'll do, I'll just copy this because I want the size of the table. For that reason I'm copying. I want size of the here only I'll paste it. I'll delete because I want the size from where it starts and where it ends. I doesn't know. For that reason I have selected that and pasted and deleted the data. See, first of all what I'll do, columns, the formula in D16. So what I'll do, dollar $D16 colon D16. Here I'm locking only the column but not the row. Keep it in mind. D is the column and 16 is the row. So I'm locking only the D part but not the number part. Keep it in mind. Control enters. So it will display in which column are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'll do here, simple. F2, I ask is anything less than or equal to left of here. I'm locking the column but not the row here. Because whenever I copy paste, so column should not move. Only rows should move. Only rows should move. For that reason, I'm locking only the column but not the row. Row is a number, column is a letter. I mean, it's alphabet. So I'm locking only the column part but not the row part. By default, it will pick up the. I did not mention how many characters because by default it will pick up the first character. Here it will not work. I will tell you why. Control enter. It will show you like that, but it will not work. So why it will not work? I highlight and I F9. See, it is in text part, text number. For that reason, it is not understanding, so it is showing all true because it's in text part, text number. So what you will do, just convert this text number into a number by using any mathematical operator, that is plus zero. I will add. Control enters. See, wherever it false is, see here false is there. Here false is there. Okay, so what I'll do, I have to highlight whole thing, Control C, Alt HLN. Just I copied the formula. Did you got it? F2, Control C, Escape, Alt HLN for conditional format. Okay, so it should be in green color, right? So double click, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Control V. Control V. Okay, I'll write a formula here. It is not pasting the formula. I don't know why it's not pasting the formula over here. Mm, okay, I'll write over there because the formula is not pasting over there. Alt HLN. I'll write again the formula over here. I have to be careful. Right while writing a formula here. Columns D16 dollar D16 colon D16 is less than or equal to left of this plus 1. Here what I'll do, I'll remove the row part, F4. Okay, I'm locking only the column, but not the row. Observe guys. Okay, right, done. It should be in green color because it is there already delivered. For the period, it is be green color. Border, not border, filled with green. Any green, any green. Font will be the bold and white. Okay, and okay, see, okay. The same formula again. I will write it, but different format. Here, what I said is less than or equal. Now, what I'll say is greater than. That's it. Control Enter. Same thing. Alt HLN. Now it should be not delivered means it should be in three deliver searching somewhere wrong here. The delivered part is wrong somewhere. I'll come back with that. In somewhere wrong here. I'll check it once again. Alt HL R. Okay, I used plus one here, actually plus zero. I used plus one over here. Now it is like, see, the same formula again I will use in different format, that is Alt HL N. New rule. The same formula but different approach. Columns dollar D 16 colon D16 is greater than left of, okay, left of this F4 plus 0 format. That should be in red color. Okay, because it is not delivered. Is not delivered. Okay, white font white with bold. Okay, okay. See, let us check once again. Here, what is F2 delivered? So what I'll do, I'll make it two delivered. Remaining are all not delivered. Here again, I'll check it. Only one delivered. Okay, only one delivered. Remaining are not delivered. Or four undelivered. See, I'll type it zero. Let's see. Zero delivered. Let's see what will happen. All are right. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hi friends. This is Amayas Guru Rajnikant, and here I am going to share a solution for the company, courier company. Right. So all are little bit logic. All questions are little bit of logic. That's it. There is no magic on there. So here Before going to start, every time I repeat one thing, that before going to start, don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you are not able to understand. See, here, first of all, what is the query? Courier IDs with dates means delivered. So wherever you find the courier ID with date, it is delivered. So find total non-delivered couriers. So wherever dates are not there, it is not it is considered as a non-delivered. And highlight red in color, non-delivered red in color, and highlight red in and delivered color in green. Whichever courier is delivered means whenever wherever it is dates are available, so you have to be in green color, and dates are not available, you have to highlight with red color. And before that, we have to start with uh, non-delivered. Okay, see here. What is the delimiter before the date? That is semicolon. So what I'll do, search of semicolon, comma, in a range. In a range. So simply, okay, F9. Wherever semicolon find, it is showing the number and position. Right, number and a position. But we need only that thing which is not having semicolon. In a formula, it is showing value error. So we are interested in errors because semicolon is not there. For that reason, it is showing value errors. Is errors. Is errors. F9. So errors will convert into true and numbers will convert into a falses. So we are interested in a true. Double negative. F9. See, 1, 1, 1, 1. Totally 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any mathematical operator, it is mathematical operator. It will convert true into 1 and 0 into false. Now I use some product. Enter. It's an some product can handle array without using control shift and enter. See, now coming to this, you have to highlight. I said, okay. Before that, I will write a formula over here. Okay. Why I copied? I want the size of data. For that reason, I copied, paste, delete. So this is the size of data. Here I will write a formula. Then you can able to understand. Here one disadvantage in this telegram means you cannot whatever the screen I have shared, only you can visible, you can see only that screen. But this is another screen. In this only another screen, another window. For that reason, it will not show. For that reason, I am using search of what you need, search of semicolon here. Right. So what I'll do, I just copy this. Let's try with a new method. Alt H L N. Page down. Okay. Not okay, sorry. Format. Not format also. Cancel. I have to write the formula over here. Fill with date means delivered, means green color. Font bold with white. Let's see, it will Actually, conditional format will take no, it will understand that non-zero numbers are falses and zero numbers are true. So let's see, it will take it or not. Done. I have not yet done anything. Okay. Just I copied that one and I pasted in conditional format. Now, which is not delivered, which is not delivered means here without dates. So what I'll use here is errors because error wherever it finds the errors, show me the true. Just again I'll copy this one, the same procedure, Alt H L N, page down, Control V. Now it is in red color, not other colors. Fill with red, font white. Why it is not understanding? I think I have not copied the formula. Let me check. Alt H L R. New rule. This one. Copy. Format. Bold. Fill with red. Font white. Okay. 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 Actually, I have not copied the formula. Okay. See here. And now I am giving one query with this. You have to solve it. Okay. That is, if all is having semicolons, if all is having semicolons, you have to find non-delivered. Here, what it is actually, wherever semicolon and dates are there. So easily we can find it out. What you say, easily we can find it out the delivered and non-delivered. But here all semicolons are there. Okay, now you have to think how to find non-delivered in this. Now coming to second question. In Hyderabad, how many couriers are delivered on same date? Here you have to find how many are delivered on same date. Right. See, here what I'll do first of all, how many hyphens are there in a courier ID? One, two, three, four, five. Totally five are there. Okay. So before date, one semicolon is there. So we need that semicolon. So what you'll do, there is a function called substitute. What I'll do, substitute of text, this text, comma, old text. What will be the old text? Hyphen, and new text will be the new character or a delimiter you have to type over there in a formula which is not available in a courier ID. All are hyphens. So here I will use at the rate. And instance. Instance means in which position, and I mean to say in which hyphen. One, two, three, four, five are there. See, in which hyphen you have to replace at the rate instead of hyphen. Right. So I will tell the third position. F9. Right, it will come in third position. You'll find at the rate, and remaining are all hyphens. So what I'll do, I want to find the position of a hyphen again. So what I'll do here, I will use search function, search of a hyphen, where in the same thing, search of a hyphen, sorry, search of a hyphen, not hyphen, sorry, at the rate, sorry, at the not at the rate, in same position, in a same range. Mhm. F9. So it will pick up the which position it is having. One to third hyphen, which we replaced with the at the rate. See, we are founding, once again I will explain you, we are found, first of all, what we did, we inserted a hyphen in third position. Why in third position? Because here your date is having after third hyphen. For that reason, we are replacing with that. Okay, replacing with at the rate. And again, we are searching that where at the rate is there, at which position. So it is showing that 16, some places 17, 16, 17, like that. So what I'll do here, I replace with whole data, replace this thing, not a position, substitute, it is there. Where you have to replace, what you have to replace this thing within text. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'm available. No need to worry about those things. Have to. Well, wait a minute. Wait, it's hanging. My system is hanging. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, no, no, okay. Are you able to see the screen? Okay, formula is gone. Again, I have to type that formula. Hmm. Substitute of the whole thing. F4, comma, old text, that is hyphen, and the new text will be at the rate, comma, and the instance is 3. Again, searching the position of at the rate, search, comma, in this. So it will give you position, the 16, 17, like that. Again, I will use replace of whole thing, comma, starting with 1, comma, because I'm replacing these IDs and starting with 1. Wait a minute, I will complete, let me complete. Okay, see, it's still here. We found that number of characters or what, sorry, the position where it is. So replace is a function that we can remove all the characters from where to where. So I am telling you have to remove all the characters from first to the position wherever it finds the at the rate. Okay, wherever it finds the at the rate from first to still at the rate. Remove all things. Remove all things and show me only the dates. Replace with blank. F9. Sorry, not here. I have to highlight F9. See, it replaced everything. Replaced with everything and given only the dates. Here, dates are in a text. So you have to convert dates by using double negative. So it will convert the text dates into numbers. So here are the numbers. Now, another condition is that how many courier delivered on same date in Hyderabad. So in Hyderabad, how many are delivered on the same date? So what I'll do here, into search of Hyderabad, where here, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Okay, let's see, will it work or not? F9. See, it is working. It is showing that 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, observe, guys, two dates are the same: 271944, 271944. We want only this thing, not other dates. Okay, other dates are different, but these dates are unique dates. So we need these dates. So what I'll do here, whatever I press enter because I should not lose the formula again and again. For that reason, I pressed enter over there. Okay. Are you there? Some problem? Some problem. So here value errors and all things are there. Dates and value errors. So what I have to do here, I multiply. Actually, I have to consider this such is numbers because here numbers are there. So it is giving errors. So we have to convert, see, F9. So errors are there. So we have to remove these errors. So for that reason, what you have to do, you have to use is number. So so errors will remove automatically, and it will show you the falses and the number wherever it finds the number, it will show you the true. See, this is the thing. Now you have to find the unique date where it is 45324, 45324. These two things are there. 45327. Sorry, only these two. All right, 45324, 45324. Only these two dates we have to find. How many are there? So what I'll use, I use the frequency function. Frequency, comma. What will be the bins array? Bins array, I will use row of indirect, row of indirect ampersand length of this whole thing. F9. Now you can able to understand that one number is repeating two times. Are you able to see that? One number is repeating two times. That is 4. Why 4? Because here the position is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 4 only repeating once again here. Okay. You can use another function also because I want to teach you a new function. For that reason, I have taken this frequency. You can use countif also, but in different method. Not in the same method, in different method, you have to use countif also. Okay, then also it will work. I will next session I will try to explain you that one also. First of all, before that, you have to understand this, and if you have any more doubts, you can ask me. So what I'll use, I use a sine function. That's it. Sine function. What will do sine function? Sine function will convert non-zero numbers as 1 and 0 as 0. Non-zero numbers as 1. 4, 4 are there. So 4, 1, 4, 1. So 1, 1. F9. Okay, now you have to use some product over here. Again, some product over here. Close parenthesis, enter. Total 2 are there. Understood? And third query is that it's very much complicated. The third one, employees who delivered in all cities. Okay, this is very, very complicated. First of all, count of delivered. First of all, we'll do this one simple things. Count of delivered. So what I'll do, find the employees who in all this is customer, find the count of countries. Find the count of deliveries and non-deliveries in city of Hyderabad. Okay, easy, very easy. You have to use Hyderabad. Sorry, wait a minute. Where is Hyderabad? F4 is equal to Hyderabad. Okay. Now, first condition is over, and second condition is delivered. The same this thing. You have to go to table. Select it. F4 is equal to delivered. DGLIV delivered. F9. See, it will show you like this. You simply use some product. Yes, some product. I'll copy this because we have to find non-delivered also. Now enters. 5 totally 5. F2 control V. Here instead of delivered, you use non-delivered here. Non-delivered, control enter. Why was wrong here? Not delivered. Spelling is, I think spelling is non-delivered, not delivered. That's it. Employees should deliver in all cities. Here it's very, very critical and magical trick. So here three are there. So you have to get answer boy one. Right. So what you will do, what way you will do as your this thing, what the way, it's very, 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 very simple, guys. No need of thinking all things. Simple. Okay. So I will show you how to do that one. Equal to first of all deliver, right? So what I'll do, I'll copy whole thing. Very simple. F4 is equal to deliver. DGLIV deliver. Okay. So I use if delivered, comma, value true. What will take? The row of, I'll go back to the function, row of whole table. Don't take single range, you have to take a whole table for this because we have selected deliver whole table for that reason. Minus row of C35 plus 1. In my previous video, I explained how many times I have used this one. I highlight now. F9. So here observe, guys, the one number which is repeating maximum times. The number which is repeating maximum times. See, 1 is repeating 3 times. 3 is repeating only 1 time. 4 is repeating 2 times. 6 is repeating 2 times. 8 only 1 time. 9 and 10 is 2 times. So we are interested only in ones. Okay. So don't use a count if one. Oh, no. Not like that. You have to use a mode and mode DG. Mode will pick up the maximum occurring value. Okay, maximum occurring value. 1 is the maximum occurring value there. F9. So simply I use simple function that is index. F4, comma, come back to the formula and close the parentheses perfectly. Control enter. Value error. Control shift enter. Delivery boy 1. So what I'll do, I'll remove delivery to here, not delivered. Okay. Now what I'll do, here all non-delivered are there. So here what I'll do, I will pick up what you'll say, not delivered. Okay. Delivered, see, not delivered, not delivered, not delivered, not delivered, delivered, not delivered. Not delivered, not delivered, here also there. So we are interested only, see, here it will come, another function is there. It will come 2 things. Okay. So what you have to do here? Further another function is there. I'll try to explain you once again. Another function is there. Here not delivered. Not delivered. Control shift enter. Another thing also there. Not delivered, not delivered. Here see. But it will pick up the first one. Not first one, sorry. This one, the second one. Right. I think you are understanding. If you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment box. And coming back to the fourth one, it's very easy. I don't know why the people are getting confused in this. What it is, find the delivery boy who covered more than petrol allowance, that is 152 kilometers. Simply use one thing. Why you are taking this much greater than 152? F9. So only one thing will be true. So I will use a choose function, choose lower bracket 1 comma 2 close, because I need two things for that reason. Choose it is an index number. Always it will pick up. In my previous video, I explained what is the uses of choose, when we have to use, what are the procedures, everything I have taught you in my previous video. Okay, go over there and check it out. Comma, and the second value will be this one. Okay, F9. So it will give you all things, but only one thing is that it will become a true with delivery boy. See here, 6. Delivery boy 6. Okay, so we look up. We look up what you need. I need true, comma, and here, comma, column index 2, comma 0. It's an array function, control shift enter, boy 6, 153, 152, greater than allowances. So 51 is very much complicated. In next session, I will explain you about 51. Okay, it's very big, complicated one. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hi friends, this is Amaya Guru Rajnikant. Here I'm going to share a solution for MIS queries. This query asked by one of the company for the post of MIS executive. So here is the first query which I'm going to start. Before going to start, I request everyone to don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you will not able to understand. Right. And another thing is that if you have any sort of doubts in this, in my Telegram group, right? Here is the first query. Here they mention that if the courier is delivered, then it will give you courier ID with the date. This is the thing. Right. This is the thing. Okay. The courier which is delivered, so it is showing the delivery date. This is the delivery date for this courier. So we have to find how many are delivered. And another query is also there. That is another courier company. There it has given that how many are delivered in certain date. That is, if some deliveries are delivered on the same date. On the same date. So we have to count how many are delivered on the same date. That is another company. I will share it as early as possible. So this is now come to back to this query. This is the query. Okay. So you have to find which what are the how many are delivered couriers. Okay. So first of all, what I'll do, first of all, what is the delimiter after the courier ID? There is a space, right? So what I'll do here, I will use the substitute function and I will add space, ampersand, whole thing, right? This is the thing. Now, old text. What will be the old text? So old text is, as we know, that is space, comma, the new text. So I am adding one function that is repeating space 255 times. Why 255 times? Because the cell will allow only maximum 255 characters. For that reason, I mentioned 255 over there. Understood? Close parenthesis. This is the thing. F9. No need to worry. It all showing the value error. No need to worry. Now I will show you the magic. Here, what I'll do here, of mid of this thing, comma. Now I'll show you the magic. A row of indirect ampersand length of. Here, observe, I'm taking row 1, 2, 3, all those things. But it will not give you the proper answer. I will show you why. And I'm closing the row part. This one also into 255, comma, number of characters 255. But it will not give you the proper answer. F9. See, it will not give you the proper answer. Why? Because the dates we are searching is in the column wise. In column wise. For that reason, it will not give you the proper answer. So what I'll do, I'll convert this into columns. Transpose is a function. It can help us to transfer rows into columns. F9. Now it will give you like this. So extra spaces are there. So I'm removing extra spaces by using a trim function. So it will remove extra spaces. F9. Okay. Understood? Now Control Z. Now some errors also there. See, observe. Some empty spaces, all those. I'll convert double negative because you need a date. F9. Some value errors and some numbers. So what I'll do, it's very easy. Simply use count will count the numbers in a range or in a formula. Right. But it's programmed in such a way that it will ignore errors. It will ignore errors. Control, if you press enter, it will give you wrong answer. If I press control shift and enter, it will give you the proper answer. This is the first query. Coming to the second query, which courier delivered? Okay, it is wrong answer actually. I will show you the proper answer. Okay, see. So it's very easy, guys. Mid of whole thing, comma, search of space, comma, this thing, because after date we need +1. So search will pick up the position. So we don't want that position, we want after that position. So for that reason, I have added +1 over there, comma. After that, I need 255. Maybe anything or like that. Okay, F9. So it will give you like this. So here you have to find the dates, right? So what I'll do, we need dates -1. So it will give you like that. But here min will did not program in such a way that it has to ignore errors. So what I'll do here, I will use such a function that is aggregate. Aggregate is such a function where it will ignore errors, hidden values, all those things. Smallest, within smallest. Not smallest, it's the largest. Okay, earliest means earliest, smallest, not largest, sorry. Largest. Okay, comma, ignore error values, comma, and first to smallest. Enter. It will give you this one. I'll show you. Shortest date. Short date. This one. Largest. Okay, so I have to use, instead of 14, I have to use 15. What is the 15? Yes, smallest. Enter. This is the second. So delivered earliest. Okay, out of these many months, which courier is delivered earlier means fastest. Okay. Now coming to another query, that is third query. It's very easy, guys. So first we have to find the position. See, first of all, we find the position of a dress. Okay, comma in this. So it will pick up the position as we know. Right. Wherever it finds, it will give you the numbers. Others are error because it will not found that. So we are interested in each number. Okay. F9. I'll leave it like this. Now coming to this. And the right of, I'll combine later this thing F4 comma 2. Let's see, it will work or not. See, it is working. Perfectly working. Or any spaces, yes, it may be spaces also there. I think so. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, but the right we have taken the all two things. Actually, we have to take this space over here. Yes, space. Okay, we have to take a space. Search of space, comma, whole thing. After space, we need the characters. So I use +1. F9. Okay, it's not working. So better I remove this one. 200 keep F9 and can leave it like that. I'll copy this one, but don't include equal sign. Equal F2. I'll multiply this thing. Enter. I will show you F2. I highlight this one first thing, first part. F9. So wherever it finds the number, it will give us the true, and it will take all the numbers. See, I have used a mathematical multiplication sign, so it will convert into numbers. True, 58, and again true. Last one, 3. How many truths are there? Only 2 truths are there. True and true. And I highlight this whole thing. F9. 163. Why 163? Why? What's wrong in here? Everything is right. Actually, it has to pick up the numbers, right? F9. Sorry. One second. Right. Right. F9. 5801 6. Okay. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll use the trim function so that it will remove all those things. Trim of F9. Again 163. 163. Why it's coming 163? It should not come like that. Control Z. Okay, just now for that reason. Okay. One. Another books. 6-3. 163. Right, correct only. Okay, no issue. Correct only. F2. No need of trim over here. I'm removing trim. Come to end. F9. Control Z. I'll copy this. I'll use a max function. Max of Control Shift and Enter. So 6 is the maximum weight. See, 6 is the maximum weight over in a courier. So what I'll do here, F2, we want the position. So I use the match function to pick up that position, comma, Control V, comma, 0. So it will pick up the position, that is Control Shift Enter. It will show you the eighth position. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we got this. Now I will convert. I will use index to pick up the weight cost, that is here. F4, comma, close parenthesis. Now also Control Shift and Enter. So 374 is the right answer for drugs. If I change this into books, maximum weight 55, 58, 57, 55, 58 is the maximum weight and cost is 250. Let's see. Yes, understood. Now coming to the fourth part. It's very easy, guys. Here, after delivered, you have to insert a code as per the status. If it is delivered, you have to insert a DE. Some codes has given for status. So it's very easy. So what I'll use a replace function. Replace of old text. Sorry, here I have to go. Replace of not received. Replace of this comma starting number. So what you will do starting number. So I give search of space where you have to insert it comma in this. Okay. Now number of characters. If I give any number of characters like 1, 2, 3, 4, so it will include that many characters. Right. If I give 5 comma new text, number of characters you want to replace. 5 characters you have to replace with 1. Let's see what will happen. So it has replaced 5 characters with only 1. If I did 5 instead of 5, I'll give 2. It will replace 2 characters with 1. Okay, understood. So what I'll do here, F2, I use a 0 over here. 0 means it will insert a character. And in place of 1, I use a vlookup of this, not this, comma, and where is the table? Here is the table for status. Just select it, F4, comma, 2, comma, 0. That's it. It's a normal function, but here is one condition. It is not shown a hyphen before the status, before the status code. So what I'll do, I add a hyphen over here. Okay, 0 is the function where it will insert that character. Right. Now coming to fifth one. It's very, 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 very easy. See, what actually the target is per delivery boy, the target is 35 deliveries per day. So if the delivery boy reached more than 35 deliveries, we have to give a bonus for him per delivery 100 or 150 rupees as per company rules. Only for top 5. If the only for top 5 after delivered, only top 5. Okay. So the first thing is large. If deliveries F4 is greater than 35, right, comma. If value is true, what you need? I need a row of, because I want to pick up each and everything. You can take anything, but I'm taking only this thing. Down a row F4 minus row of. In previous video, I explained why I'm taking this one. Again, I will. It's not possible for me to, because I have to do a lot of work. And the rows K. If I give 1, it will pick up first largest. Control Shift Enter. Greatest 35. Okay, it is giving the position. Okay, 15 is the position. Now, what I'll do here, instead of 1, I use a rows of F$68 colon 68. F$68. Control Shift and Enter. It will give you only the positions. It is not the correct answer. It is giving the only the positions. Okay. Where it is actually the position. So what I'll do here, simply I use a, wait a minute, okay. Where is -1? 35 should not go -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why somewhere? Okay. I have not used the +1 over here. For that reason, you have to use +1, Control Shift Enter. Again, I did wrong. F2. Somewhere I did wrong. It should not give -2 here. Okay, it's not give -1. Wait a minute, D65. Okay, I have to log this one. F4. Control Shift Enter. Yes. F2, these are the positions. Now I use simple function that is index. Index of what you need, the couriers. F4, comma, come to end. Not yet over, guys. Control Shift Enter. Double click. It's not yet over. It may be 6 or 7 people will be there. Here it's showing only 5. If I use 10, suppose the daily target is 10. If I tell 10, then it will give you more than 5. See, but we need only 5, not all those things. Only top 5 employees. Okay, so what I'll do here, simply if rows F$68 colon F68 is greater than 5, comma, greater than 5, show me the blank. Remaining are all, run this formula. Control Shift Enter. So it will give you only top 5. Remaining are blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I copy this whole thing. Not copy. I'll move a little bit because I want to highlight this thing. See, first of all, I'll write a formula. Over here to get here what it is, 35 or 10. It is 10. So I'll remove 35. I'll keep 35 here. Shift Enter, double click. Okay. So I want to highlight those guys. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll copy this range, control C. See, whatever I'm doing, just observe clearly. If you have a doubt, you can ask me in my Telegram group. I'm ready to answer. Delete. Okay. I want the format, and not the format, actually. I want the count of rows, all those things. The size of table. For that reason, I have taken this one. Okay. This is the right answer. Control Enter. Highlight this one. Double click. Copy this one. Now I'll use one. I have to edit the condition format. For that reason, Alt HLR. This one red color. Highlight. Control V. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. In next career, advice will be as early as possible. Please like, share, and subscribe.